Welcome to bestwheelsjapan.com, where we explore the finest vehicles on the road. Today we have something truly special for you, the 2023 Lexus LX 600 in the stunning eminent white pearl color. So buckle up and let's dive into the luxurious world of Lexus. At the front, the LX 600 features Lexus' signature spindle grille, a bold statement that sets it apart from the crowd. Flanked by striking LED headlights with integrated LED daytime running lights, the front fascia exudes confidence and sophistication. Full LED lighting, and Lexus does a great job with the way that they style their daytime running lamp, their triple LED beam headlights. And then as we work our ginormous functional corner air intakes, of course gloss black with the horizontal bars, and you're also going to have your LED fog lamps. Down below now, as we come across that big wide open mouth grille that Lexus is known for, horizontal, that Lexus badge, so much history. The LX 600 is equipped with a robust and high-performance engine offering 409 horsepower, delivering impressive power and acceleration. Here you get a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission. LX 600 gives you the best experience you can have. Now let's step inside the cabin of the Lexus LX 600 and explore its luxurious interior. The interior is a sanctuary of comfort and refinement, with premium materials and exquisite craftsmanship evident throughout. The available semi-aniline leather-trimmed seats offer exceptional comfort, while the handcrafted wood trim adds a touch of elegance to the cabin. The LX 600 features a digital command center panel, available 12.3-inch touchscreen display, Apple Android CarPlay, digital climate control, wireless phone charging, heated seats, vehicle height management system, cup holders, premium leather-stitched hand rest with nice capacity. Now let's talk about the rear passenger side. For rear passengers, the LX 600 offers available rear entertainment screens, ensuring that everyone stays entertained during long drives. Whether you're watching movies or playing games, the rear entertainment system provides endless entertainment options. In addition to its luxurious appointments, the LX 600 is equipped with a host of comfort and convenience features designed to enhance your driving experience. At the rear, convenience meets luxury with a power-operated tailgate, allowing for effortless access to the spacious cargo area. Whether you're loading groceries or luggage, the LX 600 makes it a breeze with just the touch of a button. As you can see, the trunk of the Lexus LX 600 offers ample room for luggage, groceries, sports equipment, and more. Loading and unloading cargo has never been easier, thanks to the power-operated tailgate. Simply press a button on the key fob or inside the cabin, and the tailgate opens and closes smoothly, providing convenient access to the trunk area. Versatility is key, and the Lexus LX 600 delivers with a flexible cargo area that can be configured to accommodate various items. The rear seats can be folded down in a 60/40 split, allowing you to create more space for longer or bulkier items while still accommodating passengers in the rear seats. At first glance, the LED tail lights of the Lexus LX 600 captivate with their sleek and futuristic design. Crafted with precision and attention to detail, they seamlessly integrate into the rear fascia, adding a touch of sophistication to the vehicle's aesthetic. Beyond their striking appearance, these tail lights serve a crucial purpose in enhancing safety on the road. Using cutting-edge LED technology, they illuminate instantly, providing drivers behind you with clear and timely signals of your intentions. But what sets the LED tail lights of the Lexus LX 600 apart is their versatility. With multiple lighting modes, including brake lights, turn signals, and reverse lights, they adapt to different driving scenarios with ease, ensuring optimal visibility at all times. Adding a touch of dynamism are the sequential turn signals, which illuminate in a cascading pattern, drawing attention to your intentions and enhancing safety when changing lanes or making turns. When it comes to safety, the Lexus LX 600 offers peace of mind on every journey. With features like the Lexus Safety System, which includes pre-collision warning, lane departure alert, and adaptive cruise control, you can drive with confidence knowing that you're protected by advanced safety technology. Safety is paramount, And the Lexus LX 600 comes equipped with a state-of-the-art front camera system that provides a 360-degree view of your surroundings. Whether maneuvering through tight spaces or navigating crowded streets, you can drive with confidence knowing that you have a clear view of the road ahead. And of course, no Lexus would be complete without the iconic emblem proudly displayed at the front. A symbol of precision engineering and uncompromising quality, it signifies the heritage and legacy of the Lexus brand. Thanks for joining us on this detailed exploration of the Lexus LX 600. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. Until next time, happy driving.